The Blue Blazer is easily one of the most scariest and dangerous cocktails to make. Today I'm going to show you my twist, the Carribean Club, on Let's Talk Drinks. Welcome back, guys. So I wanted to make a drink that was tiki style but that we could serve up at the 18th Amendment Bar here in winter time, and I thought, why not blaze it? The blazer is obviously really popular because people love watching it, and anything with fire is an easy sell, but I wanted to make something that tastes a little bit different. Tiki style, hot. We can serve this up cold, old-fashioned style as well in the summertime, as we have before. I'm just going to get straight into it. So the first thing that I'm going to use is Cargo Cult Banana Spiced Rum. Made in Australia. This is incredible. I really enjoy it. And I'm going to do 40 mils. Next up, because banana, obviously we're going to throw in some pineapple, Plantation Pineapple. I'm sure everyone around the world has tried this. It is, once again, amazing as well. 40 mils. And last but not least, I wanted to add some bitters to it. I'm going to use Groff's Pimento bitters. Add some nice spice to the drink. Groff the king. I did make a cocktail a while ago on how not to make, I think it was a margarita or a Negroni or something like that, and said that he didn't know what he was talking about. Obviously he does. I was taking the piss in that video. I got a few comments, people saying, oh my God, who is this idiot? It was a joke, okay? He's incredible. We wouldn't be doing what we are doing nowadays without him. He sort of had the renaissance and kick-started, I guess, modern mixology or bartending back in the 90s. And thank you so much, Dale. I do love you. So next up, we're going to fire this up and blaze it. So this is what I mean. We need to be really careful. I like to use just like a blazer tin. This is really just like a coffee, Turkish coffee can, anything like that will work. I like to warm it up a little bit just to get that alcohol hot so that it will ignite a bit easier. I'm just going to do both sides. Now guys, if you're making this at home or in a bar around friends, please let everyone know, hey guys, we're doing a blazer, because there have been a few accidents with blazers. I had a bit of an accident with a burn a while ago, like probably 10, 12 years ago. So someone bumped into me when I was doing a flaming shot. It went everywhere and actually lit a customer on fire. Thank God it was a mate of mine, and it was his 40th birthday, but it didn't look very cool when I was on fire. His arm was on fire. Greg, if you're watching this video, you know who I'm talking about. So safety is the most important thing. Okay, so we're going to get that hot now, and we're going to start blazing it up. It doesn't remove all the alcohol, by the way, guys. Okay. And we don't have to blaze it for very long. I probably overblaze because I like showing off doing it in front of customers and friends. But we're just caramelizing all those flavors. Okay, really importantly, pour it into a Nick and Nora glass. Just like that. And the most important part is put it out before you give it to the customer. We had a bit of an incident here in Geelong many years ago, a local bar that isn't around anymore, that served a flaming shot to a young lady at her 21st birthday party. Apparently she had put hairspray on her face, on her makeup, so it wouldn't run. She went to drink this shot and her whole face caught on fire. Wow, imagine that. So got to be really careful. We use a dehydrated piece of pineapple. It's not really that beautiful to look at, but I like it because when you sit it in there, what happens is it actually soaks back into the pineapple, rehydrates it, and it's super tasty while you're drinking your cocktail. This is the Caribbean Club. Okay, so let's give it a try, right? That glass is probably a little bit short. You could use a smaller coupette or a smaller glass. Oh, smells so good. Yeah, it's beautiful. I like that warming feeling as it's going down. It's not overly hot, which is great. The spiced banana works really well with the Plantation Pineapple, the Cargo Cult. It's a short drink, but it's a strong drink and really easy to get sort of drunk on quickly. So do be careful, don't go crazy having too many of them, especially because it's nice and warm. That warms it. It doesn't feel like it's strong, or 2 shots are pretty much straight booze. So, well, a little bit more over 2 shots. Definitely awesome sitting by the fire, sitting by the campfire on the beach in the middle of summer. Go out and give it a try, guys. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.